the secrets behind the Shopify affiliate marketing ecosystem. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm about to show you a video that's over a year old. The reason you've never seen it is because it was made for only a select group of students of mine. However, I wanted to kind of peel back the layers here and really increase the transparency as I take my channel and my career to the next level. And what this is this is going to show you the affiliate marketing ecosystem that's driving this Shopify drop shipping craze, I guess is what it is. Now, it's not just this, it's the courses too that are driving this craze, and it's all about supply and demand. So many people want to get into the Shopify drop shipping because it seems easy. But really, the key to making money online is if you do what seems easy, then life's going to be hard. And if you do what actually seems hard, it turns out it makes life pretty easy. And really what it comes down to is competition. So that's why, if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you got to take things another level. And I think that's what this video is going to illustrate, kind of the steps that I take just to earn a measly $58 affiliate commission. But you'll see it's all about systems that provide the passive income. I'm not saying, it's 100% passive, but it does run 24 hours a day. And the other thing this is going to show you is that there's a reason why all these Shopify gurus have kind of come on the scenes. And I really want you to be careful and cautious about the ones who've never shown their store and probably are just giving you theory and maybe don't even know what they're talking about to begin with, because they're doing it simply to collect the affiliate earnings to increase their YouTube audiences and sell their BS courses. I mean, they're the cornerstone of these courses, influencer marketing. Okay, find somebody who's got an audience and pay them to promote your product. There you go. There's my $500 course. I gave it to you for free. Anyway, I think this is going to be really cool. I think this is really going to help a lot of people out, and I'm excited for you to watch it and subscribe to the channel if you dig this kind of thing. Now today, I'm going to take you through a little maybe 10-minute video or so that's going to break down the steps for you that I have been using to earn about $7,000 to $8,000 a month in pure profit using the Shopify affiliate program. Now, before we go any further, if you think this is going to be too difficult, if you think this is going to be too advanced, if you think by me uttering the words Shopify affiliate program, you're already confused and therefore you don't stand a chance, do me a favor, put those doubts aside for a few minutes and just pay attention here. Do yourself a favor, just follow through and just please watch this video and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, the thing is if you have any experience with Shopify whatsoever, whether you've opened a store, whether you've had a little success, whether you opened a store and completely failed, whether you thought about it and did a lot of research, even if you just simply went through my free 2-hour training tutorial at some point in your life, you have the information you need to be successful with the Shopify affiliate program. Now, before we go any further, of course, I'm not guaranteeing success. This is going to take work, okay? This is not set up a site, pay $5 for Facebook ads and expect success, okay? That being said, it's not difficult necessarily. It just has a few moving pieces. Now, see, what happened is this is such a huge opportunity right now because the consumer is already educated. People know about Shopify. People want to be a part of Shopify. They're practically sold already. You don't have to do any of that hard pre-selling work. All you have to do is find the people who are interested in opening a Shopify store and then point them to Shopify using your affiliate link. All the hard work's done for you. You just have to get in front of targeted traffic. And if you keep watching this video, I'm going to show you how to get yourself in front of that targeted traffic 100% for free. And then every time someone signs up for Shopify through your affiliate link, which if you're not familiar, it's absolutely free to join Shopify's affiliate program. Then anytime someone opens up a store and keeps it open for 2 months, you're going to get $58 per person. Now you get that set up on the system and you're going to see exactly how I'm earning the kind of profit that I am with the Shopify affiliate program. And remember, it's all about profit. It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. So obviously, the first thing you're going to have to do is get signed up with the Shopify affiliate program. It's as simple as applying now. Now, once you get your affiliate account set up, you can log in. You'll see how easy the dashboard is to navigate. I'll just show you really quickly. Once you get logged in, you can go under the referrals section and you can see there's your affiliate link right there. All you have to do is copy that link and paste that and get people to click from your link to the Shopify setup. They'll get signed up for their free 14-day trial. Once they start paying for the store, that's when you're going to get paid. If they sign up for the $29 a month program, you're going to get 200% of that. So that means $58 for every person who signs up. Now you can see if we go into the payout section here, right now we're sitting at $37.87 so far this month. Now you can see the previous pay period went May 16th through May 31st, and we earned $3,500 and some change from that. And once again, that's affiliate commissions off of free traffic, so that's pure profit. And then the 2 weeks prior to that, we earned $3,200, and the 2 weeks prior to that, we earned $2,100. So you can see this kind of grows with time. Right now, let's see. Let's pull up today's date. And you can see that today is June 12th. Now it's about 10 o'clock in the morning on June 12th, so we still have plenty of time left today to earn affiliate commissions. But on June 12th, this is already at $37.87. So let's pull up the calculator. And we'll take $37.87, divide that by 12. And if we multiply that, it's about $315 a day in pure profit. So if we multiply that by 365, which is the number of days in the year. So right now, this Shopify affiliate program is earning me about $115,000 a year in pure profit, and it's completely automated. I literally don't do anything now that it's set up. Sure, it takes took me about a week to get this system set up, but now that it's set up, I just make a YouTube video every now and then, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy this can be for you. So now that we got that out of the way, you've seen how easy it is to set up and get signed up with your Shopify affiliate program. Let's go over to YouTube, and don't lose me here, okay? Because it can be intimidating. Go ahead, take a look. Go over to my YouTube channel and go ahead and search videos. As a matter of fact, let's do it right now. You're gonna see, I mean, you can just gotta get started here. If you go over to my YouTube channel here and go down here and click on videos and go by the added the oldest. And like, look at these first, let's see, like, look at these first couple videos that I did. They were terrible, okay? So the bottom line is you just got to get started. Go ahead and check it out if you want. I mean, that was not that long ago that I was producing terrible quality YouTube videos. And the thing is you don't need a fancy camera. You don't need some sort of amazing camera rig or setup. You can just simply, if you have a smartphone, if you have a Samsung or an iPhone, then you have a camera that's good enough to produce quality YouTube content. Search around YouTube. How many videos to see of gurus and people talking about whatever, where they're just holding their camera in front of their face, selfie style, talking into the camera, and they're getting YouTube views. Start doing this. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna talk from your experience. Don't try to be something you're not. Just remember, there's people out there who wanna be where you are right now. Even if you failed completely with Shopify, you have the knowledge of what it takes to set up a Shopify store. So there are a ton of people out there who wanna be where you're at right now. And the thing is you're closer to where they are right now than say someone like me who's had more experience. So therefore you can relate to them better. And that's what YouTube is all about. It's not about having the most knowledge or being the most personable. It's about being the most relatable. So start shooting these 5 or 10 minute videos on your cell phone if that's all you have, and just talk about the process of setting up your store. Just make videos. 5 things I wish I knew before I started Shopify. My #1 tip for someone who's gonna start Shopify. And just go on, so on and so forth. 3 things I wish I knew about Facebook advertising before I started. And just give your honest opinion about what it takes. Don't make a video that talks them out of doing Shopify, but just give them some advice. And your traffic will start to grow. I know what you're thinking. Well, I got 19,000 subscribers right now. But if you go and check out what I had not too long ago, it just takes time. You'll grow. Now, I'm not saying in 8 months you're going to get to 19,000 subscribers, but look at this. Let's see here. Let's go down to the subscriber count. And if we look at the lifetime of this channel, you can see that back here on October, I didn't get my first subscriber until what's that, 9.3 it looks like, right around there. And then I'd get 1 a day and 2 a day and 3 a day. And it really didn't start picking up till say like October 30th. Then, I started building a subscriber base. But that is, what is that, 8 months ago? So in 8 months, I've gone to 20,000 subscribers. Once again, I'm not saying you're going to do that, but as long as you just get started, start putting out consistent content, you're going to get subscribers. I mean, Shopify is so popular right now that people want to have content. They want to digest content before they get started. And if you're not familiar, uploading a video couldn't be more simple. I mean, first of all, if you go over to your channel here, it's just like setting up a Facebook account. Put your channel art up there, and then you probably already have this. If you have a Gmail account, you probably already have your picture there. So that's good enough. Now, uploading a video couldn't be more simple. You just simply hit upload. You choose public. You find yourself a video. You change your title. You write a little description down here. For your tags, you put things like Shopify, Shopify tutorial, Shopify for beginners, Shopify tips. Simple as that. Drop shipping if you're talking about drop shipping. And all you're going to do is close out each video with some sort of call to action, okay, an offer. And this is what we're going to talk about next. You're going to have a lead magnet. So say you give them your 5 tips you wish you knew before starting Shopify. You're going to close out your video, and you can just go to my channel and check it out. I do this. This is exactly how it's done. And close out your video by saying something like, if you want a free 2-hour tutorial, click the link below to get instant access. Or something like, I created a 12-step checklist PDF that is going to help you get started with Shopify. If you're just beginning, go ahead and click the link down below to get access to that. Okay? And then you're just going to put your link right in the description. Because what's tempting, if you link directly to Shopify and save yourself the added steps, it seems easier. You're going to earn some affiliate commissions. But the problem is people don't act right away, and you're giving them no incentive to follow your link. You're going to lose out on 90 or 95% of your affiliate commissions. See, that's why email is the difference between people who are successful and people who are scraping by, running a side hustle. You have to control their actions. To simply just put an affiliate link on the bottom of the video is a waste of the time it took to make that video. You may make a few bucks here and there, but you'll never make the kind of income you can make if you implement an email system and you automate the process. And you're just going to do this over and over and over again, following this same set of steps. Just rinse and repeat. The only thing that's going to change is the title and then the actual video that you're uploading. So after you do that, and once again, go over to my channel and see how it's done if you want. Just dissect what I'm actually doing. We're not going to upload that right now. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to Leadpages here. Now, if this is sounding confusing and you're feeling overwhelmed, just take a breath, sit back, watch this video, and if you need to, go through and watch it again. Because yeah, there's a few steps involved, but I'm showing you exactly how I earn over $100,000 a year in pure profit doing almost nothing. So yeah, there's going to be a few steps involved, but it's not hard. You just need to know what the steps are, and that's what I'm showing you right now. So once you get over to Leadpages is simply just a page builder. Many of you are probably familiar with this page. You've probably signed up to receive the Shopify training. Now, this is all drag and drop building, and when someone clicks on send me the details, that brings up the lead capture box or the email capture box, and that gets them in the system. Now, all you do is just link to this page. You don't even need a website from YouTube. From Facebook, you cannot link directly to these pages, but from YouTube, it's free traffic. You don't need a website, as I just said. You can simply link to this hosted page. And if you get a preview of this, it's going to be hosted by Leadpages. And you can see this page is right here. This is the actual link that I send everybody to. I'm not even hosting this on my website. I just send them to this link. From that point forward, they click, yes, I want that. They enter their email address and they say they're ready to take action. Boom, they're into this system. Now, after they do that, they're going to get an email that looks something like this. So this is what the email is going to look like that gets sent out after someone enters their email into that opt-in or lead capture page. You've probably seen this one before. just welcomes them and sends them directly to the free training video. It also tells them where they can sign up for Shopify. And if you open this link in a new tab, you're going to see that the sign up code on the bottom there is going to have my MadCam Publishing referral code, meaning I have just earned the commission. All right, now the system that brings this all together is called Drip, and it's owned by the same company that owns the page builder that we just talked about, Leadpages. And this is the email automation. This is what's going to automate the process. Now, this obviously can be used for a number of different practices. It doesn't have to just be used for this specific instance. Now, if you learn how to use this program, if you learn how to do this process, then you can essentially set yourself up for a whole number of opportunities. But for the purposes of this video, let's continue on with the demonstration that we're currently providing. Once you get logged in, it's pretty straightforward and simple. You're going to build what are called workflows. And we'll go ahead and look at the Shopify workflow right now. Under automation, you can see if I just click on this Shopify workflow, you see once someone submits the Shopify landing page that we looked at earlier, they're automatically entered into this workflow. Then they will go down a predetermined path that we set up. As you can see here, the first email they're going to get is the email that we just looked at. It's going to look just like this. This is an updated version of the one I showed you, which is now offering 21-day free trial. Other than that, this is the exact same email. Now, this is what automates the process. This was what allows you to scale, and this is what allows you to essentially free up your time, because you no longer have to worry about what you're going to send when. There is no longer a to-do list. It just continues. And if you automate the traffic source, which we did with the YouTube channel, then there is no need to even worry about paying for Facebook ads or optimizing your AdWords campaigns. It's all set up and running automatically on autopilot. Now, if we can go back to the workflow, you can kind of get an idea of how this works. So after they're sent that first email, then we can set up triggers and tags and actions based on the determined path that we want to send them down. So the first thing that happens after they get this drop shipping training is they are then going to put on a 6-hour delay and be sent down further, where they either are sent an email if they did not open the first one to give them the opportunity to see it once again. If they did already open that first email that we sent, then they are sent down this yes path and not sent an email till the next day, where we continue on down the workflow. And like I said, this does take a little bit of time to set up. Probably took me about a week to get this whole workflow together. But as you can see by the previous proof that we offered, it was worth the investment. And that's really the entire process. We just continue to send them emails, offering them advice, giving them guides, and making sure that they are clicking our link to sign up when they do decide to sign up. We're not pushing them. We're simply providing the opportunity to click our affiliate link when they do decide they are ready to move forward, in which case then we will earn the affiliate commission.